things. I know we haven't done that many kitty things. Oh, so here's a kitty. Oh, he's sideways now. He's really cute in his box fort. What was that, Firepaw? He's really cute right now. Yeah, if I pet him, he's like, ugh. I just did like an hour in there. This box. I got hot, so. Well, Firepaw, you happy boy? Of course you're happy boy. You're really happy. You're really tired. He's really cute. He's really allergic to water. No, he just hates baths. And his paws are really cute when he does like that. It's curled. And I think I better let him go to bed. Firepaw, what are you doing? He's sniffing me so. Don't paw at me. Yes, shake. Good boy. He never even knew this trick. What are you licking? Are you licking some lunch from my hand? I better let him sleep. Like and subscribe.